Red row 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, wow. Looks like you're traveling in a big group with lots of supporters here in front. So sir, what's your name? Sorry?
June.
June, and what's the
Lauren
name?
Andrea.
Alright, so June and Andrea are gonna come up here in front. Together, our last couple. Alright, so where are you from? Alright, so they're from Davao.
I'm from Leyte.
Oh, okay, so he's from Leyte, she's from Davao. Are you ready for your question? Are you confident that he will answer your question correctly? Alright, so for your question, how long have you guys been together? Alright, no coaching. It can be in months, it can be in years, minutes, weeks. Officially. So, what's going through your head right now? Alright.
Siya po magsasagot. Tapos,
So, sir will be writing down his answer and you will be confirming. Alright, so let's just wait for Sir to come. I think it's in minutes or weeks. Are you done calculating? Alright. Okay, so let's see, ma'am. Can I hear the answer from you first before we reveal his answer? Alright, 4 years. Drum roll, please. Let's see if it is indeed 4 years. Let's show his answer to everyone. 4 years, 1 month, 11 days, and forever. Everyone, let's give them a big round of applause.
What can you say? Happy Valentine's. I know, matagal na ako hindi nagsusurprise sa'yo. At, sabi mo na hindi na kita binibigyan ng bulaklak. Pero I asked my friends from Cebu Pacific to help me with this surprise. And, I was so thankful to Cebu Pacific. This is our favorite low-cost airline. Kahit saan tayo mag-travel, laging Cebu Pacific. And since it's Valentine's Day tomorrow, I'm giving you yung bulaklak na sinasabi mong matagal ko na yung binibigay sa'yo. Happy Valentine's Day.
Walang sing-sing?
And then, there's one other surprise that I'd like to with all the passengers of flight 5J240. It's been 4 years na nga na kasama kami. The first time I laid eyes on you, I was immediately mesmerized by your magnetic eyes and charming smile. And there are so many instances where you make me feel happy, you make me feel great. And all my life,
sorry po na mag-vlog ko kayo. I just need to take pictures po ba?
Cebu Pacific wanted me to sing a song. Pero sabi ko, baka magkaroon tayo ng turbulence mamaya, so huwag na lang. All my life, I've been raised and told to follow orders, follow instructions, meet expectations of others in order to be accepted and loved. But, yun nga, I even had to study very hard in order to prove to my parents that I am intelligent. I have to be kind and good all the time in order to prove that I am worthy of the votes of my constituents and that I am not any other ordinary guy. But, and I just kind of accepted that, that this is really my purpose in life, to follow instructions, to follow orders, and meet the expectations of other people in order to be loved and cared. But then he came into my life, and he didn't see me that way. and you cared and loved me for who I am and what I am, and not for what I have achieved and what I have accomplished. And for the first time in my life, I met someone who actually believed that I am enough and that I am worth it. And I have never cared so much for anyone or anything in my life except you. That's why I never wanted, I do not want to be a boyfriend to you anymore.
That's all.
And those are just a few of the million reasons why I want to spend the rest of my life with you. And I hope that you spend the rest of your life with me too. Andrea Luis Ambrosio, will you marry me?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, she said yes. A big round of applause for your future Mr. and Mrs. Over here. Alright, congratulations. Let's take one picture for memories that will